This is me on every sleepover ever. Guess which one it is? The one on the left. That's me on every sleepover for the past few years with all of my friends. I remembered how I can't pull off all-nighters like I could before. How the lines on my forehead are a little bit more visible this year, how every ad out there is telling you you should start wearing sunscreen, you should start putting retinol, and so much more. So just like every millennial, I looked for solutions. I wanted to have the answers. And where else could I look for answers but not Google? I looked for answers in Google, and guess what? There is a term for all these feelings that I'm feeling. It's very millennial of us, yet again, to have a name for every small problem that we face. And the name is called quarter life crisis. You start, in very short, you start feeling like you're on the wrong side of 25. I've been feeling like I was on the wrong side of 25 ever since I turned 26 a few years ago. You start looking at your friends and you start auditing where you are in life. A lot of your friends are happily married. They have the career that they always dreamed of. Some of them have kids. And yet here you are, lost every time someone asks you, what do you want to do in the next 5 years? If someone asked me that question even now, I still don't have an answer. I went to Google hoping to find a few solutions, but all I found were disappointments. Just like when you have a mole in your arm, you go to Google and Google tells you it could be cancer.